Hello and welcome to my channel. I will be introducing you to a pasta manufactured by the Good Food Company by the brand name Vugvugi. This is a 100% durum wheat no maida pasta. Comes in a package of 250 grams. This pasta gets cooked in 6 minutes. It comes in varieties like tomato penne, wheatgrass fusilli, beetroot fusilli and the regular penne pasta. Coming to the packaging, the pack is hygienically packed with a double pack so that the pasta stays dry for a longer time. Once you open the pack, it says to transfer the contents in an airtight container to keep it fresh for a long time. Each package has a small sachet of dry seasoning. The pasta has a shelf life of 9 months from the date of manufacture once opened. It has no preservatives, added colors or flavors, made with natural ingredients. The pasta is high in protein, 0% cholesterol and no trans fat. The cooking recommendations are given on the pack and it is said that the pasta cooks in only 6 minutes. So let's give it a try. Let's make red sauce pasta. To a cooking vessel, add about 500 ml of water, some salt to taste with some oil. When the water comes to a boil, add pasta to it. I have used only 50 grams of penne pasta here. Give a quick mix. Meanwhile, let's make the red sauce. Take a large size tomato and put slits on it. Transfer it to a microwave safe bowl and microwave it for about 2 minutes. The pasta gets cooked in just 6 minutes. Drain the excess water and keep the pasta aside. Now the tomato is cooked. Peel off the skin and put it in some cold water and extract the juices. Now grind this along with the cooked tomato into a paste. Discard the tomato peel. To a pan, add a teaspoon of butter with some oil and add 2 garlic cloves, 1 small sized onion finely chopped. Saute it until it turns slightly soft and not brown. To the cooked onion, add the freshly pureed tomato. Give a quick mix. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes and add a teaspoon of tomato ketchup to it. Mix well. Now let's add the seasoning provided in the packet. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon. Add some finely chopped capsicum. You can also use some mushrooms along with it. To this add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of pasta water. Mix it well. Add some salt to taste. Now add the cooked pasta to it and mix well. Now add some black pepper powder Check the seasoning, add if required. Now transfer the pasta to a serving plate. And add grated cheese to it. Your red sauce pasta is ready to serve. Next one I'm going to try is beetroot fusilli. To a pan, add some olive oil. Add the cooked pasta. Mix it for about 1 minute. I'm adding a cooked beetroot paste. Cook the beetroot for about 4 to 5 whistles and grind it. Add some pasta water. Give a mix to combine. Add some chili flakes. The seasoning provided in the packet. A teaspoon of mayonnaise. Mix well. Some salt to taste. Check and adjust the seasoning. Some oregano and black pepper. You can adjust the seasoning as required. The pasta is ready. Now transfer it to a plate and grate some cheese on the hot pasta. The beetroot pasta is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Next comes the wheatgrass fusilli. To a pan, add some olive oil with some butter. Add the cooked pasta to it and mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of cooked corn. Now add the seasoning. I'm adding black pepper, oregano, and the seasoning provided in the packet. Mix well. Some chili flakes and onion greens, or you can also add some coriander. Add the pasta water. Some salt to taste. Now that pasta is ready, transfer it to a plate. Now grate cheese on it. And your pasta is ready to serve. Next comes the pasta omelette. Now you can prepare this whenever you have some leftover cooked pasta. So for this I'm taking 2 eggs. You can take 2 to 3 eggs. Whisk it until it turns frothy. To this add 1 medium onion, a small piece of capsicum finely chopped, 1 green chili, few coriander leaves, about 1 tablespoon. I've used half cup of dry pasta and cooked it. Some salt to taste, black pepper as required. You can also use red chili flakes instead of green chili. Now mix this all together. To a pan, add some olive oil. When it's hot enough, add the mixture and spread it evenly. Cover and cook it about for 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's cooked from one side, top it with some cheese. When the cheese just starts melting, flip the omelette. And after 1 minute, your pasta omelette is ready to serve. You can serve it as a snack or a tiffin box recipe. Cut it into slices and serve hot as it is or with some tomato ketchup. As you saw, I tried all the 4 varieties of pasta and the taste was just amazing. Do take care of the cooking time, and the seasoning provided is also good. This is a completely made in India product and a vegetarian one. If you like watching this video, do give us a like and follow on Home Food Jovita Noronha. Thanks for watching.